time, he's been handling numerous cases of marital discord, parent-children issues which are resulting due to stress, and mental trauma and anxiety issues due to loss of job. Therefore, I would like to call upon Mr. Rajiv to give you his views as to how can we improve our mental state in the present times. Over to you, Mr. Rajiv.
Thank you so much, Colonel Bharadwaj. I am delighted to have all of you, and I welcome you to the first meeting of Team Iris. COVID has entered our system, and yes, the second wave is already taking its big toll. And suddenly, there is a change of narrative. The narrative has changed. Last year, we used to say, ye kab jayega? Now, suddenly, the narrative is, kya ye jayega? So just see, within 1 year, our thought process has completely changed. We are getting all kind of messages which are all containing negativities, and they are giving us some kind of negative despair in mind that nothing is going to work out. My friends, the basic idea is to understand that this is there. You cannot control the oxygen cylinders, you cannot control the ventilators, you cannot control the deaths. You can't control all this. What you can control is your mental thinking. If every day you are going to receive numerous negative messages from all corners, what is happening? Our thought process is getting blocked. Are you controlling your mind, or your mind is controlling you? Are you being controlled by your thoughts, or your thoughts are controlling you? Just think about it. And the answer lies that yes, you are not in control of your own self. Your thoughts are controlling you, and thoughts are not your own. Thoughts which are being fed it to you, which are being coming from various sources. And what we are doing? On a phone call, I am saying, oh, somebody died. The other person also giving me the similar answer that yes, from my side also, there was this loss. So all the time, what we are discussing is a negative aspect. I'll quote you here, example from Israel. Israel is the country which has easily gone out of it. And now they are totally cured. They are not wearing masks. And what is the reason? What they did, if you know, that's a community. Israel is a community. They are very close bounded. What they did, they created all positive support groups in their community, and whoever is going to talk something good, something positive. Nobody is going to talk about death. Nobody is going to talk about miseries. So what has happened? The overall thinking process is not getting affected. We are getting affected by the negativities. The show has to go on. There are losses, there are financial losses, there are loss of person, there are loss of family members, and there is loss of health, and there is loss of thought. Now that loss of thought is giving you that mental trauma. The anxiety is killing us more. The panic is spreading more than corona. This panic is killing us more because throughout the day, you are not organized. You used to go to the office, you had a system. Now there is no system. So what is happening? You are eating, sleeping, or just watching TV, and that's about it. And I must tell you, we are among the obese countries So now we are also gaining weight. There is another problem. And some of my doctor friends are sitting here, so they'll agree with me that yes, when even during COVID, some deaths are happening due to heart attack, and that is because of again overweight. So please understand, if you cannot control your mind, you will go haywire. All the way, you have to understand that you are not controlling your thoughts, you are not controlling your mind. Hence, you are eating more, you are sleeping more, you are sleeping unnecessarily. You are not even willing to walk within the house. And the most damaging thing that you are doing is procrastinating. You are just even your vaccine, you are prolonging it. I'll take it. आगे करेंगे, हो जाए. So this procrastination is again happening. I'm going to talk a lot about procrastination in my coming webinars. Also, you have started overreacting suddenly. Suddenly, you all are overreacting to whatever is coming your way. And you know what you are saying? Somebody in the house getting one message, something has happened, he'll go and spread everything. One good thing used to come, you will never, a joke came to you, you never shared with your family. A wrong message came, you're spreading with your family. Imagine. This is the thought process, my dear. This is what happening to your mind. This is what I'm trying to explain, that please understand, you have to have positivity around, and positivity first to yourself, then to the system. Another most important thing that I'm going to speak about later on in the coming webinars will be about emotional regulation. One of my very close friend died just 2 days back. I never held my emotions. I cried. Let your emotion be out. If you feel like crying, cry. If you feel like laughing, laugh. But please, you should not dwell on that. You should not continuously do it, because the grief also needs to end. It should end. There is a time boundation for everything. So if you continue dwelling on something, loss of money, loss of job, somebody has lost job. Many of us have lost job. We are under severe financial crisis. But understand, this will also pass. It is not going to remain the same. But who will be the winner? Now, who is going to win? Who is going to say that, look, there is a setback. Yes, there is a setback, but I will not let it slip. I'll bounce back. So your ideology is of to bounce back. You are not going to stoop down to the pressure. You will not bow down to the pressure. This is just not motivation. This is you. And please understand, हमारी सबकी strength अलग होती है, physical भी और mental भी. Somebody cries over just a very small thing, and somebody doesn't cry even on a death. So we all are mentally, physically, emotionally different person. We are born unique. We are not born similar. So what pressure I can take, you cannot take, or vice versa. But in all this aspect, if you will lose logic and analysis, you are going to get into trouble. Yes, trouble will come to those who are not going to think from their mental strength. Those who are not going to address their mental issues. Another thing, please be open. Please be open about what you are feeling. You should have a support group where you can vent out your thoughts. Nothing wrong. And if you need, there is nothing wrong in taking professional help. And it really helps. I'm telling you.
Exactly.
I'll tell you an example. I am already recovering from COVID right now. And 2 days back, I lost my friend. And I am giving you this webinar just to tell you a bare fact that, look, things can come up. Things can be fine. You just need to understand it. So I leave you with a very positive thought that whatever is happening around us, which is not good, which is not favorable. But yes, just keep your mental balance well. Keep your mental balance well and think positive. I live with a quote by Faiz that Dil naumid nahi, naakaam hi. I was just trying to say that please understand that we have lost our people around. We have lost so many things, job, financial crisis, and everything all around. But yes, we should not lose hope. And hope is which is going to give us all the strength. And winner in this race, the whole thing is going to start once again. And the winner in this race will be the one who is going to say that, okay, I lost something, but I'll come back. So the idea to come back should also be present in the mind. And if needed, please be open, vent out your thoughts, have a support group, and express your ideas that this is what I'm feeling, this is what I have. So I'll leave you with one very good thought from Faiz that Dil naumid sahi, naakaam nahi to hai, lambi hai gam ki sham, magar sham hi to hai. So this will also pass, my dear. It will not be forever. Let us have a core group. Let us have a community where we will spread positivity. And I'll try to do my best from my side. Thank you so very much for listening to me.
Thanks a lot, Mr. Rajiv. Before we move to our second panelist, I like to remind you once again to kindly tag Team Iris 2021 India on your Instagram accounts. Now I would like to introduce you to Indu Khanna, who's a soft skill trader, an NLP life coach, international Reiki grandmaster, Access Consciousness bar facilitator, international Star Gold award winner, and has received a gold medal from Reiki Council of India for excellent in teaching healing modalities. She teaches 24 modalities on holistic healing classes worldwide and is successfully running Nirvana Healing Center. She has over 15 years of experience and she will be talking to us how NLP, mind frame, access consciousness and Reiki healing can help in improving mental health. Over to Indu Khanna.
नमस्कार, मैं इंदु खन्ना टीम आयरस की तरफ से आप सबका स्वागत करती हूँ। जी हाँ राजीव जी, बहुत ही सुंदर इनपुट आपने दी है, बट इसके वो और सुंदर ब्यूटीफुल बनाते हैं जस्ट टू मेक अस अवेयर कि कैसे ये भाव हमें तनाव में ग्रस्त करते हैं। सो लेट्स गो डीपर इनटू द वर्जन। वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट परसीविंग, राइट? So we are perceiving negativity, negative emotion, negative feelings, negative तनाव हर तरफ से, चाचे ने कहा, बुआ ने कहा, भाई ने कहा, सब जने क्या कर रहे हैं? तनाव दे रहे हैं। आपको मालूम है कौन रिसीव कर रहा है? We have a physical body, लेकिन ये बॉडी चलती कहाँ से है? 5 elements। आप सब ने पता होगा आपको कौन कौन से 5 elements हैं? पृथ्वी, जल, अग्नि, वायु और हवा, है ना? तो हम क्या करते हैं? हमारी बॉडी परसीव करती है, परसीविंग नेगेटिव इमोशंस आल्सो अलोंग विद द वाइब्रेशंस। तो होता क्या है जब हम नेगेटिव तरंगों में ज्यादा रहते हैं, राइट? वी आर लिसनिंग मोर। आजकल क्या हो रहा है? व्हाट्सएप खोलते हैं, उस पे न्यूज़पेपर देखते हैं, सबसे पहले क्राइंग पीपल एंड डाइंग पीपल, यही तो दिख रहा है। बातें करते हैं तो सिर्फ एक फेयर, सो फेयर फैक्टर इज इन द एयर। सो हो क्या रहा है? We are perceiving every negative thought along with the 5 elements. Yeah, can you mute everyone? So that you can understand concept को समझने की कोशिश करो guys. Okay, so करना क्या है? हमें इस बात को समझना है कि हो क्या रहा है। See, our physical body is not only a physical body, it is surrounded with multiple subconscious body, ठीक है? जिसमें हमारी mental body आती है, इमोशनल बॉडी आती है, ऑरा आता है, चक्रा आता है, फिजिकल बॉडी आता है। तो होता क्या है जब हम मेंटल बॉडी से ज्यादा नेगेटिव एनर्जी खींचते हैं तो वो हमारे माइंड फ्रेम्स को चेंज करती है। तो जब हम एनएलपी के कॉन्सेप्ट्स को, एनएलपी क्या है? माइंड प्रोग्रामिंग, जिसमें हम माइंड के फ्रेम्स को बदलते हैं। मैंने बहुत सारा नेगेटिव सोचा, सुना, भाव फील किए, देखा, लेकिन मेरे माइंड को पता है हाउ टू स्विच ओवर, हाउ टू क्रिएट अ न्यू फ्रेम so that I am balanced. Guys, अगर हम एक वॉरियर की तरह जिंदगी जीते हैं, we are able to win the game. ठीक है? तो करना क्या होगा? हमें अपने आप को समझना है और अपने अंदर की पावर्स को जगाना है। तो सबसे पहले बात करते हैं मेंटल फ्रेम्स की। मेंटल फ्रेम में लगभग 60,000 थॉट्स आर कमिंग इन अ डे, 35 to 40 थॉट्स इन अ मिनट। इतने विचार, जिसमें मैक्सिमम नेगेटिव विचार। इमेजिन ये पोरिसिटी जो शरीर है, इतने इमोशन नेगेटिव जाएंगे तो वेयर विल वी गो? कहने का भाव ये है कि इफ वी नो हाउ टू ट्रांसफॉर्म दिस मेंटल एबिलिटी, वी आर एबल टू कवर द फर्स्ट स्टेप। उसके बाद आता है इमोशनल ट्रॉमास। वी हैव अराउंड 39 डिफरेंट इमोशंस जो हमें कहीं ना कहीं हर्ट करती रहती है। तो उसके ऊपर विजय प्राप्त करना इज वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट सो दैट वी आर एबल टू कनेक्ट टू द कॉन्शियसनेस। आपको पता है हम एक दूसरे के साथ कैसे कनेक्टेड होते हैं? क्यों ऐसा होता है कि मैं कुछ सोच रही होती हूँ और दूसरा वही परसीव कर लेता है? थ्रू द कॉन्शियसनेस। सो हमारी कॉन्शियसनेस ही एक दूसरे के थ्रू मैसेजेस पास करती है। इवन डिस्टेंट हीलिंग भी हम कॉन्शियसनेस के थ्रू देते हैं। तो आजकल हम कर क्या रहे हैं? एवरीवेयर वी आर पासिंग अ नेगेटिव इम्प्रेशंस, जिसके कारण सारी कॉन्शियसनेस हमारी नेगेटिव भावों से भरी हुई है. दीज आर ऑल्सो कॉल्ड एंटिटी अटैक. अगर हम ऐसे पोल्यूटेड एनवायरमेंट में रहेंगे, चाहे मैं शिमला रह रही हूँ या स्विट्जरलैंड, क्या फर्क पड़ता है, लेकिन विचारों में इतना भारीपंती होगा, तो डू यू थिंक यू विल बी एबल टू गो अहेड? नो गाइस, you need to work on your mental frames, you need to work on your outer body. Then comes the emotions. आपको अपने emotions को control करना, किस तरह से हर point of view को एक positive तरह in reframing. This is called reframing technique, जिसमें reframe करना है और एक warrior की तरह success लेनी है. Then comes the aura. जितना हम नेगेटिव भाव अपने अंदर रखेंगे, उतना हमारी जो auric shield है, just like a small vibration around us, वो पोल्यूट होती है. जितना हमारा ऑरा पोल्यूटेड होगा, उतना कंजेशन आएगा, उतना बॉडी में पेन आएगा. बिलीव मी गाइस, इफ योर ऑरा इज डर्टी, you are not going to have a healthy life, because your body aches will start acting and you will start losing your good health. तो आपका जो पोल्यूटेड ऑरा है, उसे हम क्लीन करेंगे रेकी के थ्रू, healing के थ्रू, right? Then comes the chakras. Chakras क्या काम करते हैं? They start receiving the energy and then pass it on to the endocrine gland, जो हमारे स्पेसिफिक ऑर्गन्स को हील करता है. तो इस केस में भी अगर हम परसीविंग में नेगेटिविटी ज्यादा रख रहे हैं, तो हमारे चक्रास ब्लॉक हो रहे हैं. Some karmic objects are clinging, which is spoiling the growth of our organs, our body processes. तो करना क्या होगा? We need to work on our chakras. Then comes the physical cellular memory. We need to talk to the cells. This is called part integration, talking to your body. अगर मैं अपनी बॉडी के साथ बात करती हूँ, सेल्फ लव को क्रिएट करती हूँ, guys, everything starts from here. मुझे यहाँ से शुरू करते हुए बाहर जाना है, बाहर की तरंगों को अंदर नहीं लाना. This is the time to work on yourself and expand your consciousness. तो हम अब क्या करने जा रहे हैं? ये कॉन्सेप्ट को समझने जा रहे हैं कि जो मेंटल हेल्थ वेलबींग की हम बात कर रहे हैं, इससे हमें कामयाब कैसे करना. हाउ आई कैन मेक माय हेल्थ द बेस्ट हेल्थ इन एनी सर्कमस्टांसेस. आप कोविड की बात करते हो, उन सोल्जर की बात सोचो जो कारगिल में ऐसे ऐसे एनवायरनमेंट में जाके सरवाइव किए हैं, जो अलग अलग जगह पे हर तरह से अपने आप को सक्सेसफुल किए हैं. हम उनको कैसे भूल जाते हैं? उन लोगों को कैसे भूल जाते हैं जो कैंसर तक की बीमारियां झेल रहे हैं? सो पॉइंट इज कि हर स्थिति में, चाहे वो मेंटल है, चाहे वो इमोशनल है, चाहे फाइनेंशियल है, हमें अपने आप को एक वॉरियर की तरह, एक स्ट्रॉन्ग इंसान की तरह, अपने आप को मजबूत चट्टान की तरह शो करना है. नो, नथिंग कैन इफेक्ट अस गाइस. लेट मी टेल यू, सो मेनी पीपल हैव गॉन थ्रू कोविड, बट जो लोगों की इम्यूनिटी स्ट्रॉन्ग थी, जो अंदर से स्ट्रॉन्ग थे, कोविड उनका कुछ नहीं कर पाई. कौन लोग हिले हैं? जो हिले हुए थे. अपनी मजबूती को बढ़ाओ. ये कोविड जैसे तो 100 आते रहेंगे और जाते रहेंगे. Who cares? What really matter is your inner strength. ठीक है, वर्क ऑन योरसेल्फ. सो इसी एक्सपीरियंस को हम एक सुंदर से मेडिटेशन में करते हैं. अभी क्या करेंगे? इट्स अ ब्यूटीफुल मेडिटेशन. आई जस्ट लव डूइंग इट. कारण ये है कि हमें अपने अच्छे भावों में रहना आना चाहिए. यू नो, एक्सपेंशन. क्या आपने विराट रूप के बारे में सुना है? विराट रूप, है ना? कौन पावरफुल होता है? जो बड़ा है. कौन कमजोर है? जो छोटा है. क्यों ना हम अपने आप को इतना बड़ा कर दें और सारी तकलीफों को छोटा कर दें कि सब कुछ कंट्रोल कर सकते हैं. कौन है जो संभाल सकता है कायनात? जो बड़ा है. क्यों ना उस विराट रूप में जीवन जिए, जो हर पल हमें एक एहसास और स्ट्रेंथ प्रोवाइड करे. ठीक है? सो गाइस, आर यू रेडी टू डू अ वंडरफुल मेडिटेशन? जस्ट सेंड थम्स अप. Wow, I love you all. So चलिए इसी सुंदर नजारे को और सुंदर बनाते हैं. इसके 2-3 रूल्स हैं. करना क्या है? We basically receive energy from 2 sources. One is universal energy, one is the earth energy. Universal energy हमें लाइट करती है, एक्सपैंड करती है, बिकॉज असली फितरत हमारी लाइट रहना है, खुश रहना है, आनंद में रहना है और भरपूर जीना है. पृथ्वी, धरती हमारी कौन सी एनर्जी देती है? स्ट्रेंथ, स्टेबिलिटी, अबंडेंस. तो हमें क्या करना है? शिवा शक्ति, अपने अंदर के शिवा शक्ति को बैलेंस रखना है. कोविड से फाइट करना है तो सबसे पहले बैलेंस रखना शुरू करो. ओके गाइस? सो करेंगे क्या? ब्रीदिंग. ब्रीदिंग इज अ मेथड ऑफ कनेक्टिंग टू द प्रेजेंट. अक्सर क्या होता है, हम पास्ट में होते हैं या फ्यूचर में होते हैं, प्रेजेंट में होते ही नहीं है. तभी तो हम कनेक्ट नहीं कर पाते. कंसंट्रेशन ना होने का मेन कारण यही है. सो करना क्या होगा? वी नीड टू बी इन द प्रेजेंट टेंस. then start the journey. So just be with it, listen to my instruction, no judgment, no perception, no point of view, no limitation, just do it guys, it's going to change your life, believe me. तो छोटा सा गिफ्ट मेरी तरफ से, निर्वाणा हीलिंग सेंटर एंड टीम आयरस की तरफ से. सो इसी सुंदर भाव को और सुंदर बनाते हैं. रूल नंबर 1, कीप योर बैक स्ट्रेट, गेट योर फीट अटैच्ड टू द ग्राउंड, हाथों को लैप पे रखेंगे. कनेक्ट योर टंग टू द पैलेट. क्यों? जब हम टंग पैलेट के साथ जोड़ते हैं, वी आर इनटू हायर वर्जन ऑफ क्रिएशन. तो करना क्या होगा? जस्ट फॉलो माय इंस्ट्रक्शंस एंड डू एज डायरेक्टेड. वी आर गोइंग टू एक्सपैंड. अभी सबसे पहले अपनी एक तकलीफ, लेट इट बी एनीथिंग, उस तकलीफ को सामने रखेंगे. You are just going to freeze that in front of you, right? And then what are we going to do? हम लोग इसे shrink करेंगे और अपने आप को expand करेंगे. ठीक है? So this is what we are going to do. Okay, guys, everyone, close your eyes, be with your breathing, and be ready for the wonderful journey. आंखें बंद, अपना पूरा ध्यान अपनी श्वासों पर लगाएं. Make sure you're totally light. Take a couple of deep breath in and breathe out. एक सुंदर भावों के साथ अपने आप को हल्का करेंगे. अब अपने सामने जो भी तनाव का क्षेत्र है उसे देखें. अपने पैरों पे ध्यान दें. अब धरती से एनर्जी को खींचते हुए अपनी बॉडी पे लाएंगे स्ट्रेंथ को. अब सिर की चोटी से अपनी वीकनेसेस को रिलीज करेंगे. ब्रीद इन, होल्ड एंड ब्रीद आउट. डू इट योरसेल्फ फॉर नेक्स्ट 5 काउंट्स. 5 के काउंट तक कंटिन्यू करें. अब अपना ध्यान सिर की चोटी पर लाएं. ब्रीद इन करते हुए पॉजिटिव हीलिंग एनर्जी, व्हाइट लाइट एनर्जी को ब्रीद इन करते हुए हार्ट तक लाएंगे और ब्रीद आउट करते हुए अपने पैरों से सारी नेगेटिविटी को रिलीज करेंगे. ब्रीद इन एंड ब्रीद आउट. कंटिन्यू डूइंग इट. महसूस करें हर श्वास के साथ आपका सारा तनाव बाहर निकल रहा है. बी इन द रिलीजिंग मोड. आपका शरीर एकदम ढीला है, एकदम ढीला है. एक सुंदर सी मुस्कुराहट के साथ हल्के और हल्के होते जाएं और हल्के होते जाएं. अब अपने सामने अपनी तकलीफ को रखें. कोई एक इशू, कोई एक तनाव जो आपके मन में घर करके गया हो, इसे सामने देखें. उसके कलर, आवाज, टेक्सचर, स्मेल, ब्राइटनेस सब कुछ देख डालें. उसे फ्रीज करें और कहें गो अवे. अब 3 की गिनती पर आपकी तकलीफ को छोटा होते देखेंगे और अपनी चेतना को, कॉन्शियसनेस को बड़ा होते देखेंगे. 1, 2, 3. फील दैट योर प्रॉब्लम इज मिन्यूटिंग. बिल्कुल एरियल व्यू के थ्रू बिल्कुल बारीक हो गई है और आप चेतना के साथ यू आर गोइंग बियॉन्ड योर बॉडी एंड स्प्रेडिंग इन द एंटायर रूम. आप पूरे कमरे में फैले हुए हैं. जस्ट बी विद इट. आपकी प्रॉब्लम बिल्कुल खत्म हो चुकी है. यू आर गोइंग बियॉन्ड द पिलर ऑफ द हाउस. आप पूरे घर में फैल रहे हैं, पूरी कॉलोनी में फैले हुए हैं. विराट रूप में जाएं, अपनी कॉन्शियसनेस को फैलाएं. देखिए आप पूरे शहर में फैले हुए हैं, फैलते जा रहे हैं, फैलते जा रहे हैं. पूरे कंट्री में फैल रहे हैं, पूरे वर्ल्ड में फैल गए हैं. अरे वाह, यूनिवर्स में भी फैले हुए हैं. आपकी चेतना पूरी तरह से फैली हुई है. कुछ भी आपका नहीं है. जो भी पकड़ा है उसको आपने यूनिवर्स को वापस दे दिया है. आप एक इनफाइनाइट बीइंग है जिसका खुद का कुछ भी नहीं है. अब अपने आप के अंदर अपने देवी देवता को देखें एक विराट रूप में. जो भी देवी देवता आप मानते हैं उसको अपने अंदर देखें और महसूस करें आप एक विराट रूप में हैं जो पूरी सृष्टि को देख पा रहे हैं, पूरी कायनात को देख पा रहे हैं. यही आपका असली स्वरूप है. आप में सब शक्तियां हैं. आप में स्ट्रेंथ है, पीस है, ज़ील, एंथुसियाज्म है, प्रेम है, एक्सेप्टेंस है, करुणा है, दिव्य दृष्टि है. और आपके अंदर स्पिरिचुअल ग्रेस है, इस भाव को हमेशा याद रखिए कि आप ही विजय हैं, आप ही सब देवी देवता हैं। इसी सुंदर भाव के साथ धीरे धीरे इस छवि को मन में रखते हुए 3 की गिनती पर अपने वास्तविक स्वरूप में आएंगे। 1, 2 and 3. Come back, come back, come back. अपनी स्थिति को सामने देखते हुए उस विराट रूप को हमेशा याद रखें। सो गाइस, हम लोग बहुत से ऐसे प्रोग्राम जो एंजाइटी, स्ट्रेस, डिप्रेशन, नेगेटिव इमोशंस पे लेकर आ रहे हैं टीम आयरस की तरफ से। तो देखते रहिए और आगे बढ़ते रहिए। थैंक यू टीम आयरस फॉर गिविंग मी एन अपॉर्चुनिटी टू गो अहेड। थैंक यू।
Ma'am, that was very, very soothing and enlightening discourse which you gave. But before we move further to the third panelist, I would once again request you to kindly post your queries in the chat box and also tag Team Iris 2021 India on your Instagram accounts. Right. Ladies and gentlemen, last but not the least, I would like to introduce you Miss Shilpa Jain, a renowned celebrity makeup artist and a stylist who's been doing makeup for celebrities like Priyanka Chopra, Jacqueline Fernandez, Anil Kapoor, Suchitra Krishnamurti, to name a few. Though the list is endless, but apart from being a stylist and a celebrity artist, she has also been doing grooming sessions on personal hygiene, etiquettes, power dressing, makeup, and accessories, fine dining procedures in number of prestigious schools and corporate establishments. She was also judged as the best celebrity artist in year 2017. So today she is going to speak to us about skincare, as she firmly believes that the pandemic has an effect on an individual's skin. This would not only enhance your self-confidence but would also give you a feeling of well-being. So over to Shilpa ma'am.
Good afternoon, everybody, and welcome to this webinar. It is wonderful to have all of you over. And you know what, we decided to speak on skincare during pandemic because we were getting a lot of queries, and I have been in this industry for almost about 20 years now. And a lot of people during the time of this pandemic sitting at home have been sending me questions like, they have skin issues. They've been facing a lot of, their skin, skin has been changing overall, yet being at home. So what I would like to say is that it is a very difficult phase that all of us are going through. And, our body has been becoming, going through a lot of changes as well. So I would like to talk about a few aspects that we have been, facing at the moment. And, too much of usage of sanitizers has been drying our hands. Wearing a mask has been drying, and a lot of people have been getting acne, the cheeks, the chin area. And this is because, too much of consistent wearing of the mask has been aggravating, people who have never got symptoms like this have been facing such issues. So basically, I would say is keep your skin clean, keep your skin healthy, drink a lot of water, and keep yourself hydrated, because we are at home. We are not even going out these days. And, the air becomes a lot more drier inside the house. And it's like, uncirculated air inside the house. So please take care of your skin and keep moisturizing your hands. Keep a bottle of moisturizer in the kitchen, one in the washroom, because each time you wash, you sanitize your hand. Please make sure that you even moisturize it, because, it becomes absolutely dry. And this quarantine has been a lifestyle change for all of us. Our makeup has gone into minimalism, and we are laying a lot of emphasis on the eyes. So they say the eyeshadow is the new lipstick now, because, our face is totally covered. So come out of the room in the morning, because a lot of people, they are in the pajamas the whole day or in the night suit the whole day. Please come out of the room fresh in the morning come out with a smile, because that's all we have in the house right now, each other. So that is your best makeup at the moment. And I will be holding a lot of makeup webinars in the further course. And I would also be holding a lot of skincare sessions, so which we can continue this way. And another thing is, there are a lot of home remedies that you can follow at home. At the end of the session, I will take you through a simple home remedy, which all of us can use as a mask. Try using a moisturizer which is hypoallergenic and non-comedogenic. I mean, these words sound a little, long, but basically free of fragrances and which doesn't clog your skin, And at night, use a heavy-based cream when you go off to sleep, because, your skin breathes the maximum at night and it kind of rejuvenates at night. So please do your cleansing, toning, moisturizing on a regular basis, as this is something which kind of gives you a lot of vibrancy and a lot of, brightness to your skin. So follow that. And, any questions, you can start posting it and I will answer it at the end of the session. Basically, now another thing that I wanted to speak about is basically your makeup. Makeup during these days has taken a back seat. So please do not use makeup products which has been lying, which is in a liquid form or which is in the form of, say, a lipstick, because, it tries to get rancid, because we've hardly been using our makeup products. So either keep it in the fridge or just dispose it, because 2 years, I think we've been without any makeup products. Anything that is dry, you can save it. But anything which is in a liquid form, in a cream base, please do not use it, more than 2 years to 3 years, because this is the time when our entire makeup set has been lying on a back seat. Now, basically coming to hair care, moisturize take care of your hair, not moisturize, oil your hair. There are a lot of celebrities that I work with. And, what I normally always do is, when I am doing their makeup, one thing that I always make sure that while I'm doing their makeup, I always, start a conversation about how they take care of their skin. Because a lot of my clients, they come up to me and they ask me, how does a celebrity or any actor in the industry have such a glowing skin? It is a lot to do with makeup, but yes, they take care of the skin as well. And most of it can be basically, pulled out of your fridge or, taken out from your kitchen shelf. So try and maximize the use of any product that you're using on your hair, your body, your face, which is all drawn out of the kitchen. It's like Dadima ke nuske is supposed to be the most popular ones. I still believe in the age-old, practice of using everything that's there in the kitchen. You're peeling a banana or you're eating a strawberry, just crush it, mix it with honey, put it on your face, or, rub a little bit of lime and sugar, for different skin types. So as we progress in the coming webinars, I'll be speaking a lot about different kinds of skin type and the different kind of products that can be used in various skin. Since we are running out of time, I have organized a little, it's a little difficult to show. Okay. So this is basically a face mask that I would like to show to all of you. So we have, this can be used for most of the skin types. So being a mango season, it is a golden goddess face mask. You can use it. So I basically have oatmeal, I have mangoes, and I have honey. If you want brightness in your skin, you can also add a teaspoon of milk powder to it. So what we basically use oatmeal, 1 teaspoon of oatmeal into a bowl. It's a little difficult to show here. Some mango pieces to it. This is an amazing face mask. Believe me, it gives you a beautiful golden glow to your face. And a teaspoon of honey. Now what we'll do is, since there is scarcity of, space around here. So you basically you crush the mangoes and make a mask. Now this mask can be applied to your face, and it gives you, apply it to your face, leave it for about 15 minutes and wash your face with lukewarm water and see the beautiful golden glow on your face. Being the mango season, you can chop a mango, eat the rest of it, and a bit of it you can use it on your face, which is going to give you a beautiful glow. And I think we're running out of time for me. So get connected, stay connected with Team Iris. We'll be coming up with a lot of webinars in our future due course. And I will be speaking on various subjects that you would like me to speak. So you can leave your comments at the chat box below. And I look forward to seeing you all again. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Shilpa ma'am, Indu ma'am, and Mr. Bhatt. That was something very interesting. I didn't know that oat will do wonders even when not consumed. Now moving on to some question answer sessions. I had requested people to post, and a question which I see out there is that how do you do your weight management in the present scenario? Does stress lead to gaining of weight? Mr. Bhatt, I would like you to answer this question.
Certainly.
One of the participants wants to know that does stress lead to gaining of weight?
Yeah, stress does lead to gaining of weight, because ultimately when you are not in right frame of mind, what you actually do, you start indulging in overeating. You start eating and you are not in control of your portions. So the best advice from all the nutritionists I have met and dietitians I have met, they always talk about portion control. If you are at home and you are going to be eating a numerous time, please just address to something that is called portion control. If you can control your portion, then there is a very good chance that your weight will not arise so much. So, and if you can have a routine of your exercise on a regular basis, that helps. But avoid, as I mentioned in the earlier part also, that avoid discussing too much negativity so that your stress doesn't increase. And yes, in the next coming webinars, I am going to talk about the triggers which cause stress. So please try to look out for the basic triggers which give you stress. Try to jot down those points and let us discuss in the coming days that, sir, these are my triggers. This is where I feel that, I can't handle. So we will tell you the strategy how to handle those things. Stress, definitely, some amount of stress is always helpful. That is called eustress. Eustress is one which makes us work, and distress makes us negatively work. So please understand, eustress to a certain level is very good for our performance. Beyond that, it causes a lot of problem. No issues for weight, overweight. Just if you cannot do anything, if you cannot exercise, if you can't do anything, just do one simple thing. पोर्शन कंट्रोल. इतना लेते हो, इतना लेना शुरू कर दो. बस 4 आम नहीं खाने, 1 आम का टुकड़ा खाना है. ये नहीं कि आज आम आए, शिल्पा जी ने बताया गोल्डन सीजन आ गया, सारे आम खाने बैठे हैं, वहां आम चूस रहे हैं. 1 आम का पीस खाना है आपको, पूरा आम नहीं खाना है. सो दैट यू एंजॉय द फ्रूट एज वेल एज. अब घर में कस्टर्ड बना है, वो एक ही आदमी कस्टर्ड चट कर गया. नाउ व्हाट इज हैपनिंग? सो दिस मैन इज गोइंग टू बी ओवरवेट. You control your portion. That also. And please understand, खाने से स्ट्रेस नहीं जाता है, खाने से स्ट्रेस बढ़ेगा. ओवर ईटिंग से स्ट्रेस बढ़ेगा, घटेगा नहीं. Next question.
Thank you very much, Mr. Rajiv. Now there is a question which one of the participants has asked is that can we really control our mental thinking?
Yes.
Now, divergent views on this topic. So I would like Indu ma'am to answer, because she's been talking of mind frames. Can we really control our thinking?
Yes, I would like to tell more details about it. See, mind. ठीक है. माइंड में क्या आता है? विचार, थॉट्स, राइट. व्हेन वी आर अवेयर कि व्हाट काइंड ऑफ इंटेंसिटी इज देयर अबाउट द थॉट्स एंड वी आर अवेयर हाउ टू चेंज द इंटेंसिटी ऑफ द फ्रेम, ठीक है. So when we are aware how to handle the thought and transform it into a reframed structure so that we can create something which is better for your growth. So yes, it is possible. When we undergo these processes of learning how to change the mind frames and to how to get into reframing, then yes, it can be changed. And एक स्थिति ऐसी आएगी that is called निर्मल स्थिति, where there is no thought stage or the thoughts coming only in the form of blessings to you. So how does it get even better than this, right? Yes, it can be done.
Okay, thank you, ma'am. There is a question from Shilpa ma'am now. One of the participants wants to know how can make an homemade toners.
Right. So basically, homemade toner in summer season, you can also use watermelon juice, which is a toner. Cucumber juice is a toner. Pure rose water is also a toner. And if you find nothing, even ice can be used as a toner.
Fine. Thank you, ma'am. Due to paucity of time, all questions, may not be answered, but our panelists would love to answer your queries. Those who want to know more can also write to us on teamiris2021@yahoo.com.
Good afternoon, sir.
Yeah, please.
This is Ashish Rawat, sir, from Mayo.
Yeah, Mr. Rawat.
Sir,
You have any questions?
Yes, sir. I have two questions.
Please shoot.
Sir, you are well aware that I went for surgery, kidney surgery, me and my wife. And there are corona patients around me in my house also. And I have gone through for one more surgery, hernia surgery. And after listening, I have devoted my time. I have started devoting my time for hobbies like gardening and listening music and reading novels. But still after that, since my father is not keeping well, I have lost last year my father-in-law. My mother-in-law is all alone at Alwar. So there are many issues, but still, I mean, I am facing problems. So how to control on my mindset? How to overcome on these issues, sir?
Yeah, Mr. Bhatt, would you like to?
Yeah, Mr. Rawal, I fully empathize with your situation, and somewhere down the line, I am also on the similar boats, and I have this is my personal experience. I have just told you that 2 days back, I lost my best friend, and just yesterday, I lost my very young student whose marriage I attended just 2 years back. So I lost her yesterday. And she was carrying a 7-month baby, and that baby have been saved, and that this girl has expired. So I'll tell you, what you are talking about is a trauma that you are under which, and you are unable to cope up with. Wonderful. This happens. See, we cannot control the situation which will come to us today, tomorrow, or in near future. What we can do, start living in present. First thing first. Start living in present. आज आप का दिन ठीक जिए. बस. The present situation demand you to be happy at present. Tomorrow will be again present. Similarly, the next day and so forth. And first and foremost, please avoid negativities around you. आपके पास जो भी नेगेटिव लेके आ रहा है, थोड़ा उसको शट डाउन करो. और ये जो स्क्रीन टाइम है, स्क्रीन टाइम को सब लोग अपना दूर कर दीजिए. ये स्क्रीन टाइम इस वक्त सबके लिए घातक है. घातक मतलब घातक. आपका फोन अगर आपके बहुत पास बार बार है, उसको 2 घंटे बाद देख लो. कोई बहुत है, वो 4 घंटे बाद.
Sorry, interrupting you. We need to attend officially webinar also. So
I will. I understand. देखिए, प्रॉब्लम कहाँ पर है कि जो वर्किंग है उनके साथ लोड भी है, और जो उनका काम है, प्लस ये सारी टर्मोइल्स आ रही है. कलेक्टिव इसको बोलते हैं इमोशनल रेगुलेशन. मैं इस पे बात करूंगा. इमोशनल रेगुलेशन. आपको अपनी थॉट, देखिए, अगर आप अपने को, आपका इमोशन अगर पेंट अप है, आपने उसको लेट गो नहीं किया है, तो आप बहुत प्रॉब्लम में रहेंगे. इफ यू हैव नॉट क्राइड, इफ यू हैव नॉट एक्सप्रेस्ड योर ग्रीफ, लेट इट आउट प्लीज. ये वाला कॉन्सेप्ट नहीं है कि मेल्स डोंट क्राई, मेन आल्सो डू क्राई. आई क्राइड, आई हाउल, आई लाइक एनीथिंग.
I
I'm
do
telling
it.
you.
I do it many
Yes,
times. I have done it.
there is nothing wrong in it. We just are human, nothing else. But उसमें dwell नहीं करना है. अब आपने उसको repeated नहीं करना है. आपने आज रोना एक बारी अच्छे से रो लीजिए. कल आप दोबारा से नहीं खड़े होंगे. Because आप उसको अच्छे से complete करें एक एपिसोड को. Multiple episodes हमारे साथ हो रहे हैं. उनको क्लब नहीं करना है. You have to live with one episode, finish it off, move on to the next one. और जिनका लोनलीनेस का इशू है, लोनलीनेस के इश्यूज सबके अलग होते हैं. उसके लिए वी विल लीव योर नंबर्स, यू कैन कॉन्टेक्ट अस डायरेक्टली, बिकॉज सर नॉट ऑल सिचुएशंस आर जेनेरिक, सिचुएशंस आर डिफरेंट. हर सिचुएशन अलग तरीके की है. और साइकोलॉजिकल प्रॉब्लम्स क्या होती है कि आपका थ्रेशोल्ड कुछ और होगा और दूसरे का कुछ और होगा. तो जिस जगह पे आपको परेशानी हो रही है शायद दूसरे को ना हो. तो इसको मैं जेनेरिक नहीं बना सकता, लेकिन कुछ टिप्स दे रहा हूँ, उनको सिर्फ फॉलो कर लीजिए. देखिए, गार्डनिंग अगर आपका शौक नहीं है, जबरदस्ती गार्डनिंग करेंगे आपको मजा नहीं आएगा. आई टेल यू. लेकिन
No. I am enjoying gardening. I am enjoying gardening and reading novel. Reading novel is my.
आप एक काम कर सकते हैं, अगर आपके पास पेट नहीं है, घर में कोई पेट ले आइए. पेट एक अनकंडीशनल लव देता है. पेट जिसके पास आ जाए उस आदमी के आधे दुख दर्द दूर हो जाते हैं. कितने मेरी क्लाइंट्स ऐसी हैं, आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट फीमेल क्लाइंट, जो कुत्ते से डरते थे. उनके पास उनको डॉग जिंदगी भर नहीं रखा. 40 साल बाद मैंने जबरदस्ती उनको डॉग खरीदवाया है. आपको पता नहीं है, उनके हफ्ते के अंदर दुख दूर हो गए. विद दैट पेट दे हैव फॉरगॉटन एवरीथिंग. पीपल हैव बिकम एक्टिव. अब आप देखिए कितना अजीब सा है, कितना अजीब सा काम दे रहा हूँ कि डॉग खरीद लीजिए. आप दौड़ेंगे, भागेंगे, खेलेंगे, कूदेंगे, वो आपको अनकंडीशनल लव देगा. ह्यूमन आदमी को अनकंडीशनल लव देता ही नहीं है. मैं तब दूसरे को लव देता हूँ जब मैं खुश होता हूँ. और वो आप उसको एक झापड़ मारते हो, फिर पूछ लाता हुआ आ जाता है. सो प्लीज अंडरस्टैंड, आई एम टेलिंग यू फैक्ट. आप एक डॉग ले आइए, आपको मजा आ जाएगा जिंदगी में. यू नीड ए पॉजिटिविटी इन लाइफ. और इतना ज्यादा पक्का दोस्त होता है ये डॉग, क्योंकि आप घोड़ा नहीं ला सकते, वो भी बहुत जबरदस्त होता है. आप वैसे आपके पास मेयो कॉलेज है, तो आप कल्याण सिंह जी से कह सकते हैं कि आपको हॉर्स राइडिंग के लिए वहां शुरू कर दे. तो कोई आपका वहां एक आध हॉर्सेज ऐसे हैं जो आपके दोस्त बन जाएं. तो आपके पास वो लिबर्टी भी है. व्हाई डोंट यू, कल्याण सिंह के जाने से पहले आप पकड़ लीजिए उन्हें.
Sorry interrupting you, Colonel Bharadwaj. Sir known me about everything, so he is well aware of my health.
Yes. I have been a resource person for Mayo from last 4 years.
Yeah. Mr. Ashish, I'm fully aware of your condition. All I would like to add in the present scenario is be ruthless like me in following COVID norms, right?
Yes, sir.
Because you are fairly vulnerable, your family is very vulnerable. So there's no question of ki aaj nahi karenge, let me just, nothing will happen. This is which is not going to spare you. It doesn't knock and come to your house. It just enters quietly. So just be ruthless. If you find your maid coming from outside, it's better to work yourself. Tell her, please relax for some time till the time things cool down. Or for that matter, when you are, going out, coming in, so we need to be absolutely stringent as far as the protocols have been told, especially people who have, comorbidity or having problems in their house as far as the health conditions are concerned. So be in a positive state of mind, and I'm sure everything would be, working out well. There's a, now the coming up for, it says that during COVID, how do you lose weight? Do you do intermittent fasting? Now, I think Indu ma'am would be the right person to answer, because she's following that regime of intermittent fasting. She eats in the morning and probably within 8 hours, she finishes her second meal. So does it really benefit?
Yeah, I would like to add to it. Yes, it do benefit. सबसे पहले, it is very important to understand the vibrations of the body, Vat, Pitta, Kapha. Okay? The rhythms of the body. What is digestive period? What is assimilation period? So basically, we have 3 periods. One is a digestive period, which start in the morning by 10 o'clock and till 5 it is there. Is Doran, if you eat acidic food, it get digested very well. But after 5 o'clock, there is a period called assimilation period. 5 बजे से लेके सुबह के 4 बजे तक. इसमें क्या होता है? खाना इकट्ठा होता है. So अगर आपने 5 से सुबह के 4 बजे के बीच में खाना खाया, तो वो क्या करेगा? बदबू पैदा करेगा। क्यों? क्योंकि वो सड़ेगा, वो साइड पे डाइजेस्ट नहीं हो रहा, बस पड़ा हुआ है। सो अब आप डिसाइड कर लो कि पड़े हुए खाने को आपको अपने बॉडी में रखना है कि नहीं रखना। मुझे तो नहीं रखना, सो यू हैव टू डिसाइड इट, राइट? तो सुबह के 4 बजे से लेके आपको 10 बजे तक का पीरियड है एलिमिनेशन पीरियड, निकलने का समय। इस समय अगर आप एल्कलाइन फूड का ज्यादा इंटेक करते हैं तो आपकी डाइजेशन बहुत अच्छा होती है। सो बॉडी में एसिडिक, एल्कलाइन एंड वाटर, इन 3 की प्रकृति को अंडरस्टैंड करना है। क्योंकि हम क्या है? पित्त, वात एंड कफ। पित्त क्या है? अग्नि। वात क्या है? वायु। और कफ क्या है? जल। सो 3 प्रकृतियां अगर आपकी बॉडी में बैलेंस हो जाती हैं, यू आर एबल टू ग्रो बेटर, यू आर एबल टू क्रिएट बेटर, यू आर एबल टू लिव बेटर। ठीक है? सो इन छोटी छोटी चीजों का ध्यान रखना है। एल्कलाइन फूड क्या है, एसिडिक क्या है। हर खाने के बाद 3 घंटे का गैप होना चाहिए। मशीन, वाटर मशीन, हम कपड़े धोते हैं ना, एक बार ही मशीन चालू करते हैं तो अगर बीच में रोकते हैं तो क्या होता है? कपड़े धुलते नहीं है। इसी तरह खाना खाया, 3 घंटे का गैप, फिर खाना खाया, ताकि 3 घंटे में वो खाना पचे। ठीक है? खाने में कोशिश करिए 5 चीजें ऐड करने में। बटर मिल्क, हाँ जी, बटर मिल्क हुआ, मूंग दाल का पानी, खीरा, कच्चा पपीता और सिंधा नमक। सो इन 5 चीजों को अगर आप खाने में यूज करते हैं, आपका डाइजेशन फैक्टर इज वेरी वेरी हाई। कोशिश करें फ्रूट्स हमेशा खाने से पहले खाएं, क्योंकि फ्रूट्स 15 मिनट में पचते हैं और खाना 4 घंटे में पचता है। जो खाना 15 मिनट में पचेगा वो अगर बाद में खाएंगे तो क्या होगा? एसिड बढ़ेगा। ठीक है? बॉडी में कोशिश करिए कि दूध का प्रयोग कम से कम करें। दूध को अनाज के साथ कम से कम इस्तेमाल करें, क्योंकि दोनों के लिए डाइजेस्टिव जूसेस डिफरेंट है और खाना इकट्ठे खाने के कारण इट इम्प्रूव डिस्टर्ब योर डाइजेस्टिव पीरियड। सो सेकंड इज, दूध में कैल्शियम, विटामिन, मिनरल की मात्रा हमारे से 100 गुना ज्यादा है, जिसे पचाने के लिए हमें अपने एंजाइम्स को यूज करना पड़ता है। सो अगर आप इसके लिए सर्च करें कि फूड मिल्क इज अ साइलेंट किलर, सो अगर आप इसका ध्यान रखें तो आप अपनी बॉडी में क्या क्या बचा सकते हैं? खांसी, जुकाम, नजला एंड म्यूकस। सो ये सब चीजें, बलगम का मेन कारण क्या है? दूध। सो दूध को कम से कम प्रयोग करें और अपने जीवन को लाइट करें। ठीक है? रात का 5 बजे के बाद खाना आप कम से कम खाएं। फ्रूट्स खा सकते हैं, सलाद खा सकते हैं, सूप पी सकते हैं और जल का प्रयोग करें ज्यादा। ठीक है गाइस, दैट्स इट।
Okay, thank you, ma'am. The last question, comes to Shilpa, ma'am. She wants, a person who's wanting to know what to apply with one developing small, white, hard eruptions above eyelid.
Shilpa ma'am, you're muted.
Can you hear me, Shilpa, ma'am?
Sorry, I always mute myself.
So there's a question where somebody wants to know what to apply on the eyes in case there is white eruptions over the eyelid.
What Ronika is asking about is she's probably got little eruptions which happens on the sky on top of the eyelid. So basically, I would call them cholesterol, eruptions also. A lot of people have that, but this is something you need to go and visit a dermatologist. But
Yeah.
Which cannot be removed, superficially.
Anything else, Shilpa, ma'am? You've covered the point.
Yeah, so there was somebody else who asked me a question which I would like to answer, that why should I not use makeup, liquid or cream foundation? So I did not say that use liquid
Hold on, Shilpa. We are not able to hear you.
We're not able to hear you, Shilpa.
Yeah. So, yes, just check the mic and everything.
Can you hear me now?
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah. So somebody asked me a question that why should I not use makeup, liquid, cream, foundation these days? What I mentioned here while I was speaking is
Shilpa
Sorry,
ji is
Shilpa,
going off. Yeah.
Yeah, something is, yeah. Yeah, some disturbance is coming. I think.
I think, Shilpa, there's some, technical hitch at your end. We will answer the query by sending them a mail to that effect. Okay. Last, there's a very interesting question. Somebody has asked, can I remove a negative person from our life if the person is a good friend of mine? Now, I like to, all like to add to this particular thing or answer this question. In case he's a good friend of yours, please get him into our webinars. We'll try to, put little positivity, and then the polars will change. From negative person, probably he'll become a little more positive person. The outlook will change, and you will not lose on a good friend. There's no need of getting rid of that particular person.
That's a very good way of seeing it, sir. Yes.
With because there's a paucity of time, so ladies and gentlemen, I'd like to conclude, and I would say that in coming weeks we have planned more free webinars on various topics which can help the society at large. As we all know, that a person who's a well-groomed and who has good communication skill is a confident person. A number of people have lost their self-confidence during the pandemic. Some remain unkempt, work from home due to long lockdowns or due to restrictions imposed by their employers. Therefore, our experts will discuss how to build your self-esteem and confidence in our next webinar. Since it's a very important topic for all the children and adults, we would like all of you to attend our next webinar. Therefore, keep looking for more information about webinars on our Instagram and Facebook social media platforms. I'll also keep forwarding you the promotional things as far as work being done by Team Iris on your WhatsApp. Right. In the end, I would like to thank all the panelists, participants, and Team Iris Media in Charge, Miss Anmol, who has worked tirelessly to coordinate various aspects of organizing this webinar.
Hi guys, hope you like the webinar. For more information, stay tuned with us. Thank you.
It was wonderful to have you all here. Stay safe, stay protected. Goodbye.